Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to increase flexibility with very simple exercises. You all need 10 to 15 minutes a day to do these exercises. These exercises are very simple. Let's start. Wide your leg and fold your arms gently up and down. Slowly up, down, up, down. Repeat 10 to 30 times. Move comfortably. Then next asana is slowly little bit go down, up, down, up, down. Repeat at least 30 times. These exercises are looking very simple but effective. Move to next exercise. Wide your leg as much as you can and turn right side, left side. Twist your waist as much as you can. Turn left to right, right to left. Repeat 20 to 30 times. Slowly and gently move your body with mindful breathing. Just move your body. And then next move to sitting in Malasana position and stretch your leg. Right leg and then left leg. Slowly and gently move your leg. Repeat alternative leg 20 to 30 times. Then next move to another exercise. Wide your leg. Lock your fingers and move forward and up. Bend forward and up. Repeat 20 to 30 times. Slowly bend up. Inhale and exhale. Repeat. Then move to next exercise. Put your right leg front and left leg back. Fold your right leg slowly and up. Gently pull down and up. Repeat. Slowly up, down, up, down. Repeat 20 times. Then move to another leg. Slowly fold your leg in 90-degree and up, down, up, down, up, down. These are very simple exercises. All of you can do it. See you in the next video. Namaste.